अच्छा है आज 13.7 first problem. Find the value of the right circular. Here everyone remembers cone whenever it is given right circular cone. What is the meaning of this? See here cone will be like this if you are taking. This is the height. Height is perpendicular to the base. Then it is right circular cone. Right circular cylinder also. Usually we say that cylinder. But cylinder में भी थोड़ा not right circular way हो सकता है. That is simple. Suppose if you are taking a cylinder, this is not a right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder is nothing but this one. Even in the cone also. Cone whenever you are taking like this goes. This is not a right circular cone. This is right circular cone. Okay, so do remember that is, and value of the right circular cone with the radius and height is given. Radius and height r and h. What is 1/3 pi r square h? Substitute करना है, simplify करना है, कर सकते हैं. Okay, and radius, second question, radius is 3.5 and height is given. Find the second question is given. Find the capacity of the in liters of a conical vessel. Slant height is given, but slant height is not given to us. With the help of the slant height, we need to convert the height. So let us do the second problem here. Second one. Given radius is equals to 7 centimeters and slant height is equals to 25 centimeters. Pythagorean triplet याद है? क्या है? 7 7 24 7 25 7 24 25 25 26 कब होगा? 25 26 किसके साथ होगा? 25 26 नहीं आएगा, 24 26 होगा. 24 26 and 10 because दोनों का डिफरेंस 24 स्क्वायर इज 576, 26 स्क्वायर इज 676, 24 स्क्वायर इज 576, 26 स्क्वायर इज 676, दोनों का डिफरेंस 100 है. 10 24 26 होगा. 7 24 25. ये सी हियर मेन डिफरेंट पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट्स. ट्राई टू रिमेंबर 3 4 5 5 12 13 7 24 25. these three, with the help of these three remaining create हो गया. इस सारा को 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो 6 8 10 होगा. इस सारा को 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो 10 24 26 होगा. इसका 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो 14 26 सॉरी 48 50. ये ज्यादा नहीं आया, ये 5 ज्यादा से ज्यादा है. इसमें मेन these three are main, they are not interlinked. With the help of the first one second one आएगा, with the help of the second one third one आएगा. वो 5 ज्यादा रिपीट होता है हर बार. नॉर्मली किधर भी देखो वही क्वेश्चंस देते हैं. सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखो 12 13 दे दिया. सेकंड क्वेश्चन में क्या 12 13 तो 5 होगा. गेस कर सकते हैं. ओके, बट लेट अस फाइंड आउट हियर. height h is equals to height h is equals to क्या है अंडर रूट ऑफ l स्क्वायर माइनस r स्क्वायर. ये कोण है. if this is the cone like this l r h. l is hypotenuse. l is hypotenuse. So Pythagoras theorem says to you that hypotenuse square is equals to remaining number square. Okay, so which is equals to 25 square minus 7 square, which is equals to under root of 625 minus 49, which is equals to 570. Even I am not subtracting also because I know 24 square is 576. So directly it's 576, 24 centimeters. Okay, so ये हो गया है. And value in liters asking. So value of conical. What is this conical vessel? What is given that better you write so that it gives a good impression on you for the examiner. Whoever is evaluating paper ऐसा लिख दिया तो simply value लिख के छोड़ देते हैं. ये नहीं है. Presentation अच्छा होना है. Answer sheet में clearly units के साथ डिग्रेड करने का जरूरत नहीं. डिफरेंट डिफरेंट बेंच करके, बट आप क्या लिख रहे हैं कंप्लीटली लिखना है। ये देखो ये बहुत ज्यादा बच्चे क्या करेंगे वैल्यू लिख के छोड़ देते हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट वैल्यूम ऑफ द कोनिकल वेसल और वैल्यूम ऑफ द कोन लिख के छोड़ देगा, लिखा होगा ऐसा। हाँ वही आई नो दैट, हाँ हाँ दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, एटलीस्ट सीख लो, ये आगे सीख लो, आदत थोड़ा सा बढ़ाना है। ओके, so value of the vertical is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 22 by 7, the radius is 7 into 7 and the height is 24. So be careful that height h be taken. So 7 1 7 8 7 8 56, 22 into 56, 56 2s are 112.
सर हाइट 25 है। ओ हाइट वो निकाला नहीं,
सच में डर ये गलत ज्यादा लोग करेगा।
नहीं सर मैं बुक में लिखा है ना हाइट, मैं स्टैंडर्ड नहीं पढ़ा।
हां 56 in 22 6 to 12 1 1 2 2 3 2 1 1232 क्या है
सेंटीमीटर क्यूब।
सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज
लीटर में मतलब
हाँ लीटर्स में बोला है ना, हाँ लीटर्स में बोले तो ये मिलीलीटर्स हो 1232 ml because 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 ml and meter में कन्वर्ट लीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करना है 1232 divided by 1000 liters which is equals to 1.232
किलोलीटर में कैसे
हां किलोलीटर 1 किलोलीटर equal to 1000 liters। हम one thing remember parents are because parents kiloliter 1 kiloliter equal to kilo into 1000 liters को 1 kiloliter 1 kl लिखता है, but here it is not given anything kl ना question में। Third question is given the height of the cone is 15 centimeters, volume is given to you, height is nothing but h is given and volume is given, radius of the base find out करना है, use 3.14 pi value वो कर सकते हैं। And fourth question, if the volume of the right circular cone is 9 centimeter, height of height h is 9 is 48 pi, ये तो और पाई में दे दिया है और इजी है बिकॉज पाई पाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा और उसमें डेसिमल्स भी नहीं आ जाएगा, डायमीटर आस्किंग बट डायमीटर इज आस्किंग रेडियस आपको आएगा, रेडियस आने के बाद डायमीटर डबल करना है, वो एक चीज याद रखना। नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, कोनिकल पिट ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द डायमीटर पिट ऑफ टॉप डायमीटर, पिट बोल रहे हैं ना, टॉप क्यों बोल रहे हैं, नॉर्मली बॉटम होता है ना, ये सो पिट कर दिया मींस वन दे हैव टेकन द मड आउटसाइड, सो कोनिकल शेप में डिग कर लिया, सो इट इज डिग्ड इनटू द earth was digged into the conical shape, so that is having a top diameter, top is in the circular shape, so diameter is 3.5 meters and 12 meters deep, what is the capacity in kiloliters, ये kiloliters में क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, so what to do here in this situation, what is given here, diameter given, diameter d is equals to 3.5 meters, this implies radius is equals to 3.5 by 2 meters, let it be meters, okay, next, and then height is equals to h is equals to h 12 meters, 12 meters, therefore value volume of the pit, the conical pit बोला है ना, volume of the conical pit is equals to pi 1 by 3 pi r square h meter cube आ रहा है, so 1 by 3 unit cube so that formula के बाद
क्योंकि मैं
हाँ yes because they are not in the form of the units पता नहीं है, unit cube लिखना है, yes very good, you can cubic units. In formula, whenever you write cubic units, better you write in the words cubic units. 1 by 3, 32 by 7, radius is 3.5 by 2, 3.5 by 2, and the height is 0.5. So what is you are going to get is centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. 1 kiloliter only. So directly a kiloliter. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. So directly they used to say 8 liters into 3.34. 11 होगा. ये 1 होगा. 11 into ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 11 होगा. 11 into 3.5. ये 4 and 4 लिखेंगे kiloliters. So 35 कर लो 385. So this one 38.5 kiloliters. 38.5 kiloliters. Okay? Next, fifth one हो गया. Sixth one. The volume of the right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. The diameter of the base is 28 centimeters. The radius is 14 centimeters. Then height you can find out, and slant height you have to find out. I think you will not get anything in decimals because the number is whatever it is given. By observing that number, whenever you see that, you will not get in decimals. 9856 is given to you. So it is multiple of the 11 also you are going to get. It is base radius is given multiple of the 7. 22 by 7 ले लिया तो. So you are going to get it everything in the not in decimals. Slant height of the cone first find out करना है, and slant height formula is n square is equals to h square plus r square, and then after curved surface area you have to find. So that you can do it. So come let us go to the 7th question. 7 is थोड़ा interesting question I think so. Let us see. Triangle is given to be there. So be careful here whenever these type of the questions are given. A right triangle ABC with the sides 5, 12, 13 is revolved about 12 centimeters. About 12 centimeters. It is revolved about 12 centimeters is nothing but ये 12 centimeters होगा 5 centimeters. This is revolved around. Yes, okay, ma'am. Already we have discussed that. Cone कैसे form होगा right circular cone. So revolved about here it is given to you 12 centimeters. So 12 centimeters का axis बना दिया. तो वो उसको घुमा दिया. So then what is the radius you are going to get it? Indirectly it is given to you that the height of the cone is 12 centimeters and the base radius is 5 centimeters and the slant height is 13 centimeters. And asking you to find the volume of the solid slope plate. Slant height का जरूरत ही नहीं. Slant height is not at all needed to us, but you need to know that. About 12 centimeters. Sometimes the question may be given to you about 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters is nothing but the cone will be looks like this. This is 5. Then height will become 5 and base radius will become 12 and slant height becomes 13. Can you do it? So what you have to value? What am I Abhijit? Yes, sir. Value you need to find out here. So value is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. So 1/3 pi value 22 by 7 and the radius is 5 into square root 12. इसको सिंपलीफाई करके
सर इसका हाइट कैसे निकले?
हाइट
सर इसका हाइट
it is revolved about 12 centimeters. A right circular right triangle is revolved about 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters height पे axis बना लिया है तो उसको घुमा दिया है. Then the height becomes 12 centimeters and the base radius is 5 centimeters. Okay? समझ में आया? तो next 8th क्वेश्चन इज, इसको सिंपलीफाई करना है, जस्ट आई एम लीविंग दिस सिंपलीफिकेशन पार्ट टू यू। डेसिमल्स में आ जाएगा बिकॉज़ 3 1 3 4 से हियर करना है, 25 ये आएगा, 25 4 100 है
Sir, what was the
so 22 100 divided by 7 centimeter cube. You can keep it like this also.
Sir, I think 5 to as it is represented.
हाँ, pi को ऐसे दिस रख दिया तो भी 100 by आएगा, 100 by centimeter cube. Whatever it is, that doesn't matter. Main concept you need to understand. See, 8th question is, in the question number 7, revolved about the 5 centimeters. Then find the volume of the solid so obtained, and also find the ratio of the volume so obtained in question number 7 and 8. So, in the question number 7, here you are getting the value this one. In the question number 8 is what is given? Revolved about 5 centimeters. So then what is becomes, I already told you, the figure will be like this. This is 5, this is 12, this is 13. So the core you are going to get it like this. Revolve kar liya. Okay? Triangle is revolved. So then height becomes 5 centimeters and the base radius becomes 12 centimeters. Therefore the value becomes here 1 by 3 pi r square h. So which is equals to 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into radius is 12 centimeters, 12 into 12 into 5. 3 1s are 3 4s. 5 multiply करना है और कुछ नहीं है. 12 5 is 60, 6 4 240, 22 into 240 by 7 centimeter cube. Ratio is asking you to find out question number. इसको ratio find out करना है. ये दोनों को ratio find out. 2200 is to 22 into 240 by 7. 7 7 cancel हो गया, 22 22 cancel हो गया, 100 is to 240 आ जाएगा, 100 is to 240 आ जाएगा, तो 0 10 5 is to 2. That's 5 is to 2. और वो डायरेक्टली करना है तो भी डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं. कैसे पता है? ये रेशियो, दैट रेशियो यू कैन फाइंड आउट 1 by 3 pi. इधर r क्या है?
वो दोनों को एक साथ करके पाई कर
5 into 12 is 1 by 3 pi. 12 into 12 into 5. ये कैंसिल, pi कैंसिल, 5 कैंसिल, 12 कैंसिल. 5 is to 12. Only ratio if it is asking. ना वो easy है, बहुत ज़्यादा easy है, बहुत ज़्यादा है. Because this is what the actual value is asking you. ये तो value पूछ रहा है. Value of this conical cone also it is asking you. So it is mandatory to you to find. उसके बाद वो करना है तो कर. Cancellation easy हो जाए. दोनों सेम है, but sometimes the same question will be asked to you together as a single question. Even this question can be asked to you in objective type of questions. Objective type of questions may be पूछ सकते हैं. Okay? Next, 9th question. A heap of the wheat is in the form of the cone whose diameter is 10.5 meters and height is 3 meters. Find its value. The heap is covered by the canvas to protect it from the air. Find the area of the canvas required. I think you can do it. What you have to do? Volume first find out करना है. And volume के लिए क्या-क्या दे दिया है? Diameter and height is given to you. Radius and height indirectly given to you. Then after radius and height is given to you, volume find out करना है. Curved surface area pi r L find out करना है. इसमें
L
निकालना पड़ेगा. You need to find out the L. Explain करो. कर सकते हैं ना? Yes. Do this one as a homework.
13.8.